the initial part, the initial meetings are going on still for that release 2 project.
Okay.
So we'll be starting from maybe from the second week of February, they said. So let's see how it's going to go.
Okay, no problem. Once you enter into this tool, it is a not much complicated. It's just I'm saying this is a simpler than this a power center. Once you edit, once you are started this with IDQ, when we bit a state to work with the power center, because in the power center we have to create all the mappings. Once the mapping is done, then only we can create a session. But if you comes to IDQ, we can run even every change at every step. We can run the power center map, IDQ mapping.
Okay.
Okay, so, and one more thing. First I want to let you know about this 9.6 IDQ. We have some limitations.
Okay.
Actually, as like a workflow sessions, we can't run the IDQ jobs through IDQ.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to implement the mappings in a IDQ, and we have to schedule in a workflows. We have to implement all the requirements in a IDQ, and once it is done, we have to export the entire IDQ mapping into this power center. But it is actually the power center in a version 10, actually they had overcome this issue. In the 10, we can make a parameterized, and we can make a schedule, and everything we can make in a 10. IDQ is independent, power center is independent on 10 onwards. But till to 9.6, both are dependent things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Surinder, I just want to know before we start, what are the different course topics, I mean the course content that you want to cover in this training session?
Oh, sorry, are you able to see my screen?
No, sorry.
No. Okay, I think I didn't share it. Just a minute, I will share my screen. Yeah. Now are you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I can see.
Okay. As part of this course, I will go to cover this. In this IDQ, we have two main components. One is an analyst tool that will be a web-based tool.
Okay.
And another one is a Okay. Developer tool and analyst tool. These are the two components in IDQ.
Okay.
Informatica Developer 9.6, GUI, and everything I will teach you about all the GUI what are in the developer tool as well as analyst.
Okay.
Object Explorer, in the sense that is a repository explorer. Outline connections, how to create a connections at a workspace. About this is a completely about a tool, and how to import the objects to this IDQ tool, and profiling. Profiling is actually in the IDQ there are two important things. One is a profiling, another one is a implementation.
Okay.
Yeah, profiling in the sense because we discover the data.
Okay.
And the mappings in the IDQ transformations with these are all the new transformations in the IDQ key generator.
Okay.
We won't able to see this in a power center. Comparison, consolidation, labeler. These are the transformation. If comes to IDQ advanced, the parameterization we will do in the actually once we done the mappings in a IDQ, we will export how to export the mappings, and we will do the parameterization again in the power center, not in a IDQ.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it
because
means that we can able to see the mappings of IDQ in mapping designer, right?
yes, right.
Okay.
Once we export the IDQ mappings into Power Center, those will be converted as a maplets.
Okay.
In the IDQ, there will be a human task in the advanced task, human task workflows. But in the workflows, there will be a limitations. We have some limitations without parameterization. Parameterizations are not allowed. Mapping parameterization. Few of the parameterization will allow the connections, and some of the things we can parameterize, but mapping parameters are not allowed. Suppose it's a kind of in the power, if we see the in power center, we can make this param, but
Yeah.
in IDQ this won't support.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to make this a parameterization, again we have to go to Power Center.
Okay.
Okay, and these are the topics I will cover in this
Okay.
in this session.
Yeah. Can you share this course content
Yeah,
with
sure.
my email address?
Yeah, sure, Gautam. All the contents as well as everything I will share with you. And one more thing,
Okay.
let me know. Do you have this software?
That's the biggest problem because in my current PC I don't have any software. So
Oh,
I had spoken to GangBoard. They said that they're gonna provide me the VMware, something like that.
okay. Yeah, we will provide the VMware.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
in the course content, which part is the analyst part? I mean, you said something like analysis tool.
No, no, analyst tool just, oh, I closed this one. The analyst tool is that is a web-based tool. Actually, all the objects, no, other than the mappings and some few of the things, we
Okay.
can we can access all the profiles and profile results. We can access through analyst.
Okay.
In the analyst as a developer, we don't do anything in the analyst. Is a analyst is a for a business peoples.
Okay.
Yeah, business analysts.
Okay. Okay.
BA peoples. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, once we develop this mappings and all those things, they can verify the profiling, all those things.
Okay. So it means that the profiling part comes under the analyst, right? The third one.
Yeah, profiling things we can do in a IDQ also, developer tool also. But
Okay.
all this, whatever the developer had developed in the, mm, let me open this because it is going to, just now I had started the installation 10. Yeah,
Okay.
10% is left. Once it is done, I will show you how the IDQ developer will be. I will show you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. In the current project which I worked along with the BA people to understand the data sets also. So it
okay.
means that they're gonna I think maybe they're gonna make me as a to work along with the BA in the release 2 projects also. I
Yeah,
think
maybe
so.
maybe in the on-site peoples they have to work with the BA peoples and all those things.
Yeah.
Uh, for that, the profile first initial stage, that is the profiling. If suppose let me open this. Uh,
Yeah, you're gonna show me how we're gonna use the analyst tool also, right? In this
Everything.
training.
I will show you everything. I will cover all those things. But in this first session, just yeah. If you see this, just, if you see this IDQ project lifecycle,
Okay.
that is the first phase. First phase is the data analysis.
Oh,
In
okay.
the data analysis, we will do in the profiling. After that, once we profile the data, the business analysts and business peoples will define some metrics about once they discovered the weakness of the data and what are the strengths of the data. Based on that, they will define some metrics, because these attributes would be like this, these attributes would be like this. Those kind of metrics they will be defined. And once they define the business rules, we will implement the same business rules in a designer part, that is the developer part. Integrated DQ. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Gautam.
Yeah, sorry,
Okay,
Surinder.
no problem.
I just lost it.
Okay. Actually, Sudhakar Reddy. My name is Sudhakar Reddy.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Now, where you are from, native?
I'm from Ongol, Andhra
Ongol.
Pradesh.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. It's a nearer to us. We are from Guntur.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you see this, just a minute. If you see this life cycle of these IDQ projects, 3 and 4 will be involved. Most probably developer will be involved. Review,
Okay.
exception, refine rules. This is again will do by business.
Okay.
Yeah, profile also will do by a developer. These are the things will do by developer.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 will be production support or business users, and 5 will be do by business users, business BA peoples. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just I'm sounding. Okay, I hope you can you might something understand about this tool. First, okay. Anyhow, I will share this course content and all those things. First,
Okay.
in the very first class, we will start with this. So what is the Informatica data quality? Already we have a Power Center tool. What is the additionally Informatica data quality will does?
Okay.
Yeah. If comes to ID, this.
Okay.
Informatica data quality, that is another tool from Informatica. That is, there is a nothing. Before to know about this Informatica data, working with the data quality tool, we have to know about these characteristics of the data quality.
Okay.
Yeah, this is not just a data. This is a quality data.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the characteristics of the data. If you want to say the data is a quality data, the data should follow these are the characteristics: accuracy, completeness, update status, relevance, consistency
Okay.
across the data source. I will explain by one.
Okay.
Yeah, accuracy. Data accuracy means that the data should be in a correct manner. Suppose let's take an example. Let me give the example. Data would be the complete information. Hydra. If you see this, the first one is a very complete information. Complete information in the sense, because without spell mistakes, everything. Because suppose if we have a two kind of these are two kind of versions of data. Which one is the right one? We don't know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hyderabad and Hyderabad. Which one is the right one? So the information
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Gautam. Actually, without spell mistakes and everything, either just let's take these two examples.
Okay.
Both are representing the same location, but there is a spell mistakes, and because if I know which is the right one, I can decide. But the tool, software tools don't know, right?
Yeah.
Which is the right, don't know. That's why. So we have to define which is the right one. If in these two versions, it can't understand which has to take.
Okay.
So that is the thing, because to avoid this two versions of representation.
Okay.
So, and another example, in Hyderabad we have India. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, both Hyderabad in India and Hyderabad in Pakistan. Suppose a organization is doing a business in a multiple countries. Suppose just I said Hyderabad, but which one has to consider? Is a India Hyderabad or a Pakistan Hyderabad? They don't know, right? Without
Yeah.
complete information, they don't know.
Okay.
So that's why if they mention the country, everything, that will be that data would be the accurate data.
Okay.
Okay, these are the things. These are the characters we have to fulfill with this IDQ tool.
Okay.
This is the completeness. Data completeness means that all the required data elements should be present. So the data value is missing.
Okay.
Yes, this is also same kind of this one. Hyderabad. Without missing this, both are same. Missing with the country,
Okay.
missing with the country, we can't understand
Yeah.
which city we have to consider from which country. So
Okay.
so that is the one of the thing for characteristics for the data quality.
Okay.
Updated status. Updated status means data should be up to date. Up to date in the sense, suppose let's take an example. You are now in America.
Okay.
Now you are in America, but you are from Ongole.
Okay.
Still, Gautam is showing, Gautam location is showing Ongole. Is it right one? Are you in still Ongole? No, right?
Yeah.
No, no, because the that information is not up to date. So that
Okay.
information should be up to date. If the information is up to date, that will be one of the characteristics of the data quality.
Okay.
Okay.
So in IDQ also we can run the real-time jobs same as Power Center, right?
Yes, right.
In the new future, like Informatica 10, irrespective of Power Center.
I didn't get Gautam.
Yeah, I mean to ask that irrespective of Power Center, can we run all the mappings of IDQ in IDQ itself in 10 version?
Yes, right, exactly. In a 10 onwards, both will be independent objects. And
Okay.
in the 10 we can make a parameterization, we can create a workflows, everything we can do in a we can schedule jobs with the IDQ mappings. But in the 9.6
Okay.
we can't do all this these things, scheduling things
Okay.
and all those things. We can schedule some of the things, but not everything.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Relevance information. Relevance in the sense, suppose whatever the talking about that object, that should be relevant. Just minute. I will give that example also.
Okay.
relevant attribute gender value should relevant to gender relation. Suppose let's take an example, name and gender. These are the two attributes.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose let's take an example, gender. Gender only possible either a male or a female, right?
Yeah.
But other than the male or female, that would be a irrelevant information.
Yeah.
Suppose some X. You are saying a name is a Sudhakar and the gender is a something, not other than the male or female. So these are
Okay.
the irrelevant informations.
Okay.
The attribute information also should be irrelevant. Gender in the sense there is a only possible values.
Okay.
If you take a if you take city only India cities, California.
Okay.
Is it relevant? But we are talking about only India cities, but the city information is a California. But is it relevant?
Okay.
Is it relevant? Not.
It's not.
No.
Yeah.
So these are the information attribute information should be relevant.
Okay.
That the gender is a very it is we can understand that the relevant about this relevant gender should be only possible values. Whatever the attribute, the values also should be relevant. That is the one of the characteristics.
Okay.
Consistency in the sense, suppose if we have a two different versions. Let's take an example. We have a voter ID and Aadhaar.
Okay.
In the voter ID, your city is a Ongole and Aadhaar is a Prakasham. Is a both are the same? No.
Actually, both.
No.
Yeah.
City
it
voter.
Means that, okay. I got you.
Yeah. In the voter ID, actually we have a two different identifications. In the one is a Ongole, another one is a Prakasham. But these are the not consistent data.
Okay.
Consistency in the sense across all the applications the data would be the same, then only it would be the consistent data on board. So now it is the consistent across all the sources, means that the data are reliable data, don't change no matter how many times or how many ways they are stored, processed and displayed.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the consistency. Appropriate presentation in the sense, suppose let's take an example, 1990. Actually we are presenting the date like this.
Okay.
Suppose what is a 19? Because is it a 19th century 90 or a 20th century 19? What I want to understand, 1990 or 2019? What I want to consider. No, exactly, there is no exact information.
Okay.
So this is a kind of appropriate presentation. Appropriate presentation in the sense, suppose for 01. Now there is no confusion, right?
Yeah.
2019. Now no confusion. This is one of the characteristics of the data quality. And accessibility. That the data should be accessible to everyone. Everyone in the sense who are the authorized to access the data should be accessibility. The data would be available to all the across applications. So like let's take a example. If you take an example, if you take an example, yeah, this is we are stored. This is a quality data, but
Okay.
no one able to access this. Let's take this. This is the quality data, but let's assume these are the applications.
Okay.
These two applications are able to access this master data. IDQ in the sense we are also called, that's a kind of whatever we are defined the rules and everything, we are called not 100% master data, but this is a 80% to 80 to 90% of the master data will stored in IDQ with the IDQ. But this application is not accessing this data quality data. There is what is the use? But you had created a, data quality rules and everything. Your data is a very quality of data. You had removed cleaned all the unnecessary garbage data and everything. But what is the use of this without accessing, because no one is accessing with that. What is the use of that? There is a no use, right? So that it should be access to authorized persons. Then all the applications are accessing the quality data.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the thing, accessibility.
Okay.
Okay, these are the characteristics of the data quality.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't feel bit bored, because the first class will be a bit bore, because this is a completely theory thing. Before
It's
before to going to that tool, if you know why we are learning this IDQ, then only it will be helpful. Or else directly if we enter into this IDQ tool, because you may feel why we are doing all those things, why can't we do?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can understand. It's
okay.
okay, not a problem. Yeah.
Okay. These are the business problems to overcome through IDQ.
Okay.
Yeah, actually this is few of the business problems are framed. Retail company found over 1 million records contained home telephone numbers with zeros, all zeros. Is a telephone number all zeros is a valid?
No.
No. To overcome that, we will use a IDQ. In the future classes, we will see how to use and all those things we will see.
Okay.
Insurance company found customer records with this is a 999 in the creation date. The policy created with is it possible policy created with this is a 999 date? No, these are the problems to business.
Okay.
A car rental company discovered duplicate agreement numbers, because a rental company will have a unique agreements, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the car rental company discovered duplicate agreement numbers. Is this is a problem to business, right?
Yeah.
A healthcare company found 9 different values in a gender field. Is it possible Is it possible in the gender field 9 different values?
No.
No. A food beverage retail chain found the same products was their number one and number two best seller across their business. Is it possible?
Not at all.
Not at all. Why these problems are arising? Because let me show you. Already we are discussed about this accuracy, completeness, and update status, relevance, and all those things, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Here relevancy. If you check this healthcare company, 9 different values are gender field. That is the relevancy is missed. Relevancy in the sense a gender attribute will have a chance to only male and female.
Okay.
Okay. And if you take the next problem, food beverages retail chains, because here accuracy has missed. Accuracy has missed. Why accuracy has missed means just fonts. Yeah, both the sales are 100. But the problem is we can understand, human can understand both are some different, but reporting tools won't understand, right? Because whatever, even a single character is missed, it will treat it as a different product. So that is the accuracy has missed. So
Okay.
that's why same products are products are 1 and 2 places.
Okay.
Yeah. These are the business problems to overcome. We will overcome through IDQ, and this is the life cycle. This is the life cycle of IDQ projects. First,
Okay.
in the first phase, we will analyze the data through profiling, and the second phase will defines the metrics. Let's take an example. We find out the 9 different gender values in a gender attribute. Okay. Yeah, business people will define a rules, because is it possible to 9 gender values? So they will define only gender attribute should be male or female.
Okay.
Rest of will be they will define a business rules. It's the same kind of power center.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, based on the define a matrix, we will developer has to do the implementation with IDQ.
Okay. So,
And
small question.
yes,
So the first step, profiling the data is depending upon the fifth one, right? Review exception and refine rules.
no, review exception and define rules. Once we implemented a mappings and integrated that development, and
Okay.
once we run the jobs, then they will review the define rules and exception rules.
So,
No, because in this step actually there will give some exceptions to data validations. Suppose let's say take an example, human. A few of the things are mandatory.
okay.
Let's say take an example, first name and last name are the mandatory, but mobile numbers and those things they can give a exception.
Okay.
Let's say take an example, uh, mobile numbers.
So,
Suppose
yeah, I understand. The question I'm asking is that they're going to create a separate mapping rules for the profiling of data during the profile of data, or
no, I didn't get Gautam. Can you repeat?
so you are telling that while profiling the data, business users gonna give us the set of rules, right?
Yes, right. Yes, right.
Okay. So the set of rules were designed by the business analysts, or we'll get it from the users itself?
That will define by whoever has a owners in the sense who can have the defined rules. I hope, but in our scenarios we usually get from a business analyst.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyhow, but that is the business rule should be come through business people only. But the developer has a no developer won't take a decisions.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Developer only has to implement the mappings according to their business rules.
Okay.
And so once done, in the fourth step is integrated in the sense it may with the power center and all those things. Suppose if we have a more than suppose having a reporting tools that will have the integration step in the deployment phase.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the thing. This is the complete life cycle, because once we have job run, once the mapping has completed, and the monitor data quality versus targets. Monitor
Okay.
data quality versus targets in the sense, suppose let's take an example, take a gender field. There
Okay.
there will be only male and female. Other than if any value other than the male and female, your score will be reduced. Let's say take example 100% values out of, let's say take example 100 value 100 records. Out of 100
Okay.
records there will be only male and female, then the score will be 100%. Suppose
Okay.
out of 100 there are any, let's say take example 20 are nulls or whatever other than the male and female, your score will be
Okay.
your gender score will be a 80%. then
Okay.
then business people will, why this 80%, it should be 100%, where it was
Okay.
missed. they
Okay.
will they will review and all those things.
So it means that for each and every column, I mean, each and every attribute will have a separate scores, right?
Yes,
Which will
right.
be set by business users.
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay.
Let's take an example. Might be you have one question. Can't we do this with the ETL? Yes, maybe we can do, but it more complex.
Okay.
Let's take an example. This is a consolidation. Consolidation is one of the key concept in this IDQ. Let's take an example. There are three different systems in a organization.
Okay.
Okay, not three, two: CRM and billing.
Yeah.
Okay, in the CRM record, actually it is filled with a few records, few attributes.
Okay.
Sudhakar and last name is missed, and city, and city is presented, state is presented. And if comes to
Okay.
billing, first name is missed, last name is present, and city is. Once we identified through defined business rules, we once we identified these both are the same person, then we will consolidate it as a first name, last name, Hyderabad. Now it is a complete record.
Okay.
Okay. Is this possible in a ETL?
Um, I think we can do it, but it will be a difficult
Yes,
thing
right. Yes,
when.
right. We can
Yeah.
do, but it is a more complex.
Yeah.
It is a If comes to match in the IDQ,
Okay.
this is the most important thing and a bit complex. The
Okay.
match, first name, last name, and if you see this Sudhakar, Hyderabad, and based on these three attributes, I am defining whether the person is the same or not. Sudhakar
Okay.
and Hyderabad. It is a matching, right? Based on these three attributes, this is 100%. This is a match, 100% match. In this match, every record will match with itself, and it group records.
Okay.
Let's take an example. Let me give a small example.
So this matching will be done only if we have a duplicate records, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
I will show you in the once we enter into development. I will show you how we make that grouping and all those things. Suppose if you take this 3 examples.
Okay.
Okay. This record will match with try to match with itself, and it is this group. Okay. This record won't comes to compare with this because that it is not falling under that group. I will tell you what are the groups and how the group buckets are created, and I will let you know, and I will show you once we started this development.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. This is a comparing. If it is a comparing with this is a 80% is matched. Business has defined if 60% is matched any record, then those will be those are have a chance to those are a chance to unique records. Those are a chance to duplicate records.
Yeah. It means that they are similar, right?
Yeah. Both are seems same, but this is a matched with 85%. Okay. Defined based on the business, we can take that whether it is a duplicate or not. I will once we enter into that development tool, I will let you know all those things, how the grouping records will be generated and all those things. This is
a small question.
Yes, Gautam.
Yeah, if we are doing the matching and grouping in the IDQ, why there is another tool like MDM comes into play? Because I heard that MDM will do the matching, right?
Yes, right. Because MDM, if actually there is a MDM, it will be a completely different tool. That is a normalized. It will handle the normalized data and it will load the normalized data. In the MDM, there will be there is only fuzzy matching and other exact matches. But if comes to IDQ is have a more matching functions than MDM. But MDM is for application perspective, but not data warehouse perspective.
Okay. So it means that MDM will not connect to the enterprise data warehouse, but IDQ can connect to our enterprise data warehouse.
Connect in the sense not connect, but that MDM will for the normalized data.
Okay.
But through MDM we don't load anything into this data warehousing. Suppose if scenarios through this IDQ, but we can't say 100% master data.
Okay.
Yeah, but MDM we can say that is out of 100 records, it will be a pick it a master record, and it will be approved by business peoples, and that will be published in a centralized repository. Once published in a centralized repository, every applications, these are front end applications, and all those applications will accessing from the master data. But this is a different. All the applications are not access this whatever this loaded. And one more thing, IDQ will handle this. IDQ will load and all those things. These are fact tables and all those things. But MDM, through MDM, we don't load these are fact tables and all those things. Through MDM only, we will load only these dimension tables.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. After this match, This will be the result. Out of 3, these are the 2 records will be come out from after match.
Okay.
And
so sorry to just interrupt you again.
Mm,
My question is that the transformation itself comes with certain properties like match and group, or we will do a separate like a session properties, we'll do a separate match properties again.
no. For match we have a separate transformation.
Oh, okay, okay.
In the transformation, everything, all the properties, the which
Okay.
can,
So we are, whatever the properties we are dealing with today, we'll have a separate transformation to execute, right?
yes, right.
Okay, okay, got you.
Yes, IDQ developer. Okay, with this IDQ we have a another feature, address validation. Address validation, we can, whatever the information provided by user, we can validate that address. And this address we have some limitations, but this is each country have a separate file in the sense that it is a kind of it is a kind of our yellow pages. It's a kind of all the informations they are bundled, and whatever they will compare against that the bundled addresses.
Okay.
Actually, this address validation will give the result in the manner of score. Suppose one, I think it is a 5 is a maximum and 1 is a least. Suppose if we pass this information, address 1, street 1, street 2, and city, country, and all those things, this it will return a 1 to 5 score. 5 is 5.
Yes.
If it is a returns a 5, it's a matched exactly. There is a 100% chance to reach the address correctly.
Okay.
Yeah. Data discovery in the sense of profiling. I will show you that.
Okay. So each and every attribute will have a score values, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Are you talking about this address validation or?
I'm asking about the other columns also. In the previous example, what you explained is on, I think you explained on the state.
No. This is a record base. Record base. Let's say take an example. If you have a given city is Ongole and the state is Andhra Pradesh and country is India, it will return.
Okay.
It will return a score is a 5.
Okay.
So there is a chance to 100% chance to, more chance to reach your address. Suppose
Okay.
I
It means that the scoring is given on the entire record base.
yes,
Right?
entire record base.
Okay.
Actually, suppose if I gave Guntur and Telangana and Pakistan, it will return 0 because it is a not matching at all the records.
Okay.
All the attributes are not matching a single record. If comes to developer tool, we will have two tools. We will have this is the developer tool.
Okay.
Just I'm configuring this. To configure our IDQ repository, we know this information: domain name, host names.
Yeah. Usually in IDQ projects, most of the data sources will be the flat files, or are they going to deal with the database also?
Database and flat files, exactly.
Okay.
There is no restrictions. The files and database. We can connect to both the database as well as the files.
Okay. Okay.
It may anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Data profiling and discovery. This is a complete. I will share this document to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, IDQ transformations, parser transformations. Once we started this developer, we know what are the transformations there, and we can. These are the transformations in this IDQ.
Okay.
New transformations.
Oh. Okay. So there are plenty of transformation IDQ compared to Power Center, or
Yes, right.
okay.
Where is domain? Another one is a web-based tool. Then actually we have a one URL for that service.
Okay. So so we can access the entire database with the analyst tool also, right?
Yes,
For
right.
profiling and all.
Yes, right. We can create a profile links, but and the if compared to the developer, we have a limit. We can do some limited development, and but we can access this profiling and all those things, profile objects and all those things.
Okay.
All
Okay.
all the repository objects we can access through this analyst tool.
Okay.
Domain.
You want to provide the VMware, right? Or I need to talk with the GangBoard.
I will provide a VMware. I will share the links. You can download that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Domain. Host name. Yeah.
So we need to configure repository for separate repository for IDQ also,
Yes,
or we
right.
can use the same repository for.
No. A separate repository for IDQ.
Okay.
Let me show you that also.
Okay. I'm just asking why, because I'm the only one who gonna work in that project as a ETL developer. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. That is a different because no. It will take care by this admins, right? ETL admins.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you see this one, this is the IDQ repository and this is the
Okay.
Informatica repository.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is the IDQ repository. If you see this, I don't know why it is taking much time. Usually it won't take that much time.
Okay. Okay. It means that the process is same, right, for creating this IDQ repository and all.
Yes, everything is the same. There won't be
Okay.
any. But the only thing is Power Center integration service won't take. No need to provide much information. But IDQ integration service we have to provide for all those things of profiling and all those things.
Oh, okay.
But we can get all those things once we able to see this screen. We can understand what are the information it is expecting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, anyhow, these are the repositories, these are the services.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but the IDQ repository is a different and the Informatica repository is a different. IDQ repository we will call model repository.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a model repository.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the interface for IDQ tool, right?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Once we are configured this repository, this actually this is our GUI tool.
Okay.
Yes, it is a connected. Disconnect. Let's take. Okay.
Okay.
In the Power Center, actually there will be a folder level security, but here we can create a project and project level security.
Okay.
Within a project, the security and all the access and all those things will give at project level.
Okay.
Okay, I will take the sample from here, Informatica and clients. Actually, I will take this already have some data sets for the customers. I will show you and all those things with the profiling, how to do profiling and all those things
Okay.
through them.
Yeah.
Okay, just I'm creating just a project. Training. Okay, finish. Within this, just I'm creating one folder.
Okay.
Yes, under the project we can create users.
Okay.
But if we see in a power center that there won't be a project concept, only folder concept.
Yeah.
Okay. How to import? Just I'm starting with this. Import the objects into this IDQ tool. Okay. Just a data object.
Okay.
Just a right click it, new data object. It will
Okay.
ask a flat file or a relational database. Flat file.
Okay.
Next. Just we have to give this. It's the same as a power center import.
Okay. So there are no source analyzer, target designer like things, right?
No, no.
Only we have.
Only we have a direct import. That object we can
Okay.
use it as a source and target.
Okay.
Okay.
We cannot create also, right? We cannot create as a new flat file source.
Yeah, we can create as empty.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Name tutorials. No, all customers. A flat file should be saved. Browse. Okay. Next, I selected all customers, and it's the same as power center. Delimiter fixed width.
Okay.
Next, double quotes. Okay. Import column names from first line.
Okay.
Finish. Next. This is everything same as a power center. Nothing there. Finish. Yeah. Now object is ready. Physical data objects. Okay. Suppose if you want to import a relational database, if you see this right side, actually there will be a connections icon.
Okay.
If we want to import a any object from a relational database, first we have to create that connection. Let me check whether the Scott is ready or not. Scott, take. The account is locked. In the 11 onwards, Scott will be a account locked. So we have to unlock that account to use it for our test demo account
Okay.
order use. Okay, now Scott is ready. Just just we have to create a connection. Scott. What is the type of Oracle? Username Scott. This is a GUI is also very simple because this is the left side is the object explorer and outline whatever we have selected the objects, that is the outline. This is the workspace.
Okay.
This is the workspace and this is the output window.
Okay.
Here won't be like a power center. Here won't be one is for workflow monitor, one is for these are all those things. Here it won't be. Everything will be in one single window.
Okay. So how, if it is a single window, how in from 10 onwards, how they can run the jobs?
Everything here, from here we can like a simple just a new. I'm using this at 10, right? This is a workflow creation. Once the workflow is created, we will deploy the workflow as an application. We will schedule this application.
Okay.
Yeah. Here application is nothing but a workflow. We can schedule this application through, in the power center we have a PMCMD command, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, here info CMD.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a separate info CMD command. Through that we can schedule all these applications and all those things.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This we can. Once we created the connection, we can simply we can data object relational.
Okay.
Next, it is asking for from which connection you want to import the object. For the relational object, we have to create this connection. Should be create connection first.
Okay.
Yes, all these connections, Scott connection. Resource in the sense which object you want to import from tables. I want to import employee DEPT.
Okay.
Till to here you are very clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Create a custom data object. Create a custom data object in the sense that is an empty object. Finish.
Okay. So create a custom data object in the sense if we create a custom object, it's going to reflect in the database.
Yes, right.
Right.
Yes, right. We are using that connection, right?
Okay. So
Yes.
it's going to create a new table in the database.
I think no, because actually if a custom object is that is a object for a repository, right? IDQ repository, not for a database.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually we will import just existing objects. Yeah, if we want, we can see that one also. Let me data object.
No, I'm just asking
Yeah, no
whether
problem. Just it won't take much time, right?
okay.
That's empty data object. Alright, we create a data object. Give it a name. No, I think we have to create. We have to select that. No, it won't be created in a database, but synchronize input and output don't synchronize. The integration service enables automatic. Yes, I think it will create a table or let me check this one, refresh. No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Most probably we will import just a designed models.
Okay.
Yeah. If we want to if we want to import that, we have that feature also, right? No problem to import it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm deleting this customer.
Yeah.
You can simply just a delete button with the delete button.
Okay.
This is the way of importing objects into this IDQ repository.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm starting this profile in this in this life cycle. That is, the profile is the initial first stage. Usually profile will be do by a analyst. Suppose if they ask us to developer ask us, we can also create a profiles and we can give the results. We can give the result summary to them.
Okay.
Just I will start with this a simple EMP table.
Okay.
We can create a profile with a different ways. Just I'm right clicking new profiling. Okay, here we have three options. Profile in the sense it is on a single object. Multiple profiles in the sense at the same time we can create a profile on multiple objects. Enterprise discovery profile for this is a joint profiling. Okay, just I'm going with a single object profiling. Next. Okay, profiling. We have to give a profile name, EMP. Description and everything is object. We have to add the object and which object you want to do a profile, EMP. Okay. This is the option run profile and finish in the sense. Suppose if you check this box, the profile will, once the object profile will be created, the profile also will run. If you not check it, just will create. We can run the manually. I will show you on the next and the DEPT object. Just I'm clicking next. Here we have a multiple options: column profiling, column selections. Which columns you want to profile? You can. It is our wish. If you want to all the columns, just select them.
Okay.
Okay. Data domain discovery. This is a different thing. Column selections. Data domain discovery, sample options, how many records you want to profile. First first 100, first 10 random sample auto. No, I want to complete analysis, all rows. Filter. Suppose if you want to do any filters, just you can add a profile. You can add a filter, advanced SQL filter or advanced filter. SQL filter in the sense SQL query, name, description.
Okay.
For this, just
a where condition, right?
yes, sir, just a where condition.
Okay. What about the advanced filter?
What?
What about this advanced filter and all?
Advanced in the sense, advanced we can write something because all the functions and all those things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all the functions without not simple filter, not simple where condition. We can write all the these functions. We can apply these functions. All those things.
Just like expression
Yes,
translation.
right.
Okay.
I'm not adding any filter. Just
okay.
These are the different functional dependency, all those things that are the different drill down options in live data, run settings. This profile IDQ we can run on Hive also, but we didn't use it that Hive. Only we ran on integration service only.
Okay. Hive in the sense it's a big data, right?
Yes, a big data Hadoop servers. I think Hadoop servers or some other.
Okay.
Hive is exactly I don't know. Hive is a database or a big data database or I don't know. That is our server.
I also don't know.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Usually we don't run this on Hadoop.
Okay.
We will run data integration service.
Yeah. Okay.
Finish. Yeah, this you can see. Are you able to see this one profile EMP and the right side, because this is a process.
Okay. That in order to execute a job, we'll run that green button, right? We'll press that.
No. If you runs on a green button, because we can see what are the jobs are running. We can able to see what are the jobs are running.
Okay.
It is a getting wait condition.
So what will be the timings for the classes?
Actually, you are only one person, right? What is the comfort time to you?
Yeah, the thing is, if it is possible for you, if it is IST from 9 to 10, it's okay for me.
9 p.m. to 10, right?
Yeah, daily 1 hour, so we can complete it by the first week of February, the before 10th.
Yeah, sure, no. Yeah, sure, no
I
problem.
so I will be good to go from February 15th into that new project.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Your thing is only you have to do some practice. I think you are, it seems you are catching up the very fast. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, but Power Center I can work very well, but I never had a chance working on this IDQ. I don't have any idea also.
No need to. Yeah, that's why I asked the very first question, because if you are familiar with the power center, this is a very simpler than that. But the only thing is 1 week to 10 days you have to get this navigation. You have to know about the navigation and all those things. But it is a very simpler than that.
Okay, okay.
And also, since you are catching up the things very fast, so no need to. I'm not thinking about it's the more difficult to you.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, I think it will be easier to you.
Okay. I don't know why they are moving to IDQ again, because when I in the meeting when I asked them regarding why you are going to this IDQ and all, they said that they had some issues with the data that is there in the EDW.
And maybe they are thinking about to do this all those things, a consultation matching, and they want to do with a bit more functionalities.
Yeah. When my architect asked me regarding this suggestions and all, I said that better go for MDM. It's good to
No,
get
no,
some
no, no,
certificates.
no. For data warehouse buildings, MDM it is not at all suitable.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, MDM is easier than this IDQ.
Yeah, yeah. Why I said like that, because when I googled some information regarding this MDM and all, I heard that we can cleanse the data very well in MDM.
No,
There are
no, that
things
isn't
that
that is
are
not true. But if you want
okay.
to build a data warehouses and all those things, IDQ is a better than MDM. When you
Okay, okay.
when you want to go for MDM, suppose if you have only you have a more applications, and you want to build a custom this dimension tables, right? In our data warehouse terminology, uh, dimension tables. So
Yeah.
if you want to strong dimension tables, you can choose MDM.
Okay.
That is the normalized data.
So
But
yeah,
if comes to data warehouse applications, it is a denormalized data, right?
okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
From you, what I came to know is we cannot load the fact tables using MDM.
Yes,
That's
right.
right?
Yes, right.
Okay, okay. Yeah. The biggest worry is for me is whether I'm going to complete this course by February first week or not. I
No,
tried
sure,
calling
sure, sure.
them.
You can. Sure, I will complete by February first week. No,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
Only thing
Because
is,
go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, only thing is the first 10 to 15 days. Not even, if you are catching very things very fast. So I don't think it take that much time. Also, you can get these things before to 10 days.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is a very simpler navigation, very simpler tool.
Okay, okay.
Why it is taking this much time? In the VM, I installed a 9.6 and Windows 7. That I hope it won't take that much time. And also, this is I
Okay.
installed the 10 and installed Windows 10 and 10 version 10.
Oh, okay.
Let me stop this. And if they want to do in a 9.6 again, they need a power center help also. If they want to continue with the 9.10, then you no need this a power center. And a 10 onwards, both are independents. we can make a
Okay,
we
okay.
can make a parameterization. Might be you are
Okay.
parameterized few things in a power center, right?
Yeah, session parameters, and I worked on the parameters at session level and mapping level.
Yeah, in for this mapping parameters, it is not supporting. Even we
Okay.
again we have to come to Power Center.
Oh.
Is anyone started this IDQ training session for you?
Only one class it's over. He just tell me what are the topics he gonna cover. That's it. It's around 20 minutes. He didn't discuss anything
Okay,
before that.
okay,
Yeah. And it's been a while also. It's 2 weeks, I think. I joined the GangBoard around in the Jan 1st. I thought of completing the course by this month itself. I don't know. Whenever I approached them, they said that they had an issue with the trainer. The trainer is not available and all.
okay,
So finally yesterday I got a mail that they found the trainer and the classes are going to start from tomorrow. I feel very happy regarding
okay.
it because I'm worried about this the second project that I'm going to start on February 2nd week. So
Actually, I had stopped the training 2 months back.
oh, okay.
Uh, Earlier, I
And
had.
yeah, I'm not confirm about the second project until December ending, so that's why I didn't search for any training in the month of December. So
Okay,
after getting a confirmation from my architect and team lead, then only I started looking for a training and all.
okay,
Okay. So my biggest worry, as I said, I want to complete it by February first week or second week mostly because when they said to start the project, I must be good with that all the
No, no,
documentation.
actually, it won't only won't two or three transformations bit complex. Other than the rest of the transformations, we can get it easily, no problem.
Okay. Is it okay, right, for you, the timing 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.?
Yeah, no, it is fine to me, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
just a profile has been created. Are you able to see this under the profile category? Just I'm trying to run this run profile. If it is taking a keep on this much time, after this session I will try to restart and I will check this performance. If it's a keep on it is a taking, I will continue with this VM.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is installed in 7 and 9.6 version. Well, this is
Okay.
taking very much time. For this training, how much they are charging?
I paid them around $200, I think.
200.
Yeah.
This is taking very much time. Once the profiling is completed, you will get some idea about this tool and all those things.
Okay.
That's why I am trying to complete this profile. Nikhil, what is the scope of your project?
Actually, the previous project what I worked is CDP project. It's like a security project.
Okay.
So we worked mainly on web services and SQL transformations. What we did is we dealt with this data read columns, sensitive data read columns like SSN data and driving
Uh,
licenses.
okay.
So we had a third party vendor like TokenX service where it's going to read all the data from the data warehouse, and then we give it, I mean, we created a logic in such a way that it will read only the valid SSNs and
Okay.
valid driving licenses.
Okay.
So after writing to a flat file into the shared folder of the TokenX service, they're going to give you a result file into the result folder.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a lookup on that file, and then we'll update all the SSN columns or driving license columns in the data warehouse with the token values. It's a alphanumerical value of 11-digit character.
Okay. No, no, no. Will you do that encryption of the SSN number?
We'll not do any encryptions, but we'll get the tokenized value from the third party vendor.
Okay. Okay.
From the, it means that from the cloud.
Okay.
So what we did is we splitted our scenarios in such a way that it's going to be a web service call a few depending upon the load volume analysis that we did.
Okay.
We separated into two scenarios. One is web service call, the other one is batch tokenization.
Okay.
So if the data volume is large, then we go for a batch tokenization, and if the data volume is less, then we go for a web service call.
Okay. For this IDQ
So
scope?
for this, there is no IDQ scope. The new project is completely unique project compared to this one what I worked. It's a new project that it's going to deal with the data. I think mostly the address columns. I think.
Okay. I think then you may have to work with this address validator.
Yeah, and one more thing is that I heard that in the meeting they're going to discuss about this reference tables that they're going to get it from the government regarding, so they use as a reference table like the government data for addresses and all.
Okay.
So
References in the sense how big? No, no. Will
maybe
they provide any? Will they provide any this reference data?
I think they're going to give us some address for flat files, example things.
Okay. Okay.
In order to, if coming in, how can I put it? In the Power Center, we do a lookup, right, on a flat files.
Yes.
Just
Right.
like that, I don't know how we can do it in IDQ, but they're going to give us some data that is related to the government.
Yeah, we have a reference table concept in IDQ. Maybe you may have to work with that. Okay,
Okay. I don't know the exact scenario what they are looking for, but until now the meetings that I attended, I heard that this is the cases.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Okay, let me VMware.
So how are the opportunities in India regarding this IDQ?
Yeah, actually in the IDQ, but the resources not actually
Yeah,
very less people are know this IDQ because of
yeah,
the only thing is whoever want to work on this IDQ, they should know about at least 2 to 3 years experience on a power center. They only can work on this IDQ.
okay, okay.
Yeah, without that knowledge, we can't work on in the power center without having experience or not. Directly, we can start the work, but IDQ,
Yeah,
but IDQ it can't.
yeah,
So that's why
yeah,
people are very less on the IDQ.
yeah. Compared to Power Center, the opportunity is also very less in IDQ. I think so because
No,
I
no, in
never
the
heard.
power center, no, no, in India, power center seems, I think it is outdated. We can say outdated.
Oh, okay.
Suppose if we have any one or two positions, will come to 50 to 100 people for interview.
Oh, okay.
But
Yeah.
IDQ, it won't much people's.
Okay. Okay.
because the people should should work at least 2 to 3 years who are worked on the power center. They only can work on this IDQ.
Okay.
My computer. I think it is taking much time, Gautam. But meanwhile, can you download this VMs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Yeah. Install this VM workstation Pro workstation 12. And if you want to license, I will give this license file.
Okay.
This is the license key. Just a minute. I will ping you this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And download this from Google. We can download it directly from Google VMware Workstation, and I will give that links to you to download that the VM.
So after connecting to VMware, we need to have any file related to IDQ or?
No, actually there will be I think you have to download a 20 GB zip files.
Oh, okay.
December 7/7.
So VMware, it's fast, right, compared to this one?
No, actually VMware is a slow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but but I don't know why it is taking this much time. Yeah, it is running now. Profile is running.
Okay. Okay. What I will do is I will try to install the Power Center tool today. So you said that by installing 9.6 we can directly get the IDQ also, right?
Yes, right. You no need to install anything, but because that is, let me tell you, these are the VM files.
Okay.
I will share these links.
Okay. You want me to just download those files
Yeah,
and?
just download it and extract that files. On
Okay.
a Windows 7 VM zip, right? Just
Okay.
try to unzip one file. All the files will be comes to one folder, and you can directly access that one.
Okay.
Once you have downloaded, just let me know how to access and all those things. I will tell you.
Okay.
Just, yeah, are you able to copy these links from here? I'm typing in a chat.
One second. Yeah, I can do that, I think.
Okay.
But it's going to take a long time, I think.
Yes.
20 GB, right?
Okay, download all these four, and this is the master. Windows 7 VM zip is the master, and just
Okay.
once a download is completed, just right click on this master and extract all.
Okay.
All this 4 will be comes to one folder.
I need to extract all the attest at the same time, or I
No,
can do
no,
it one by one?
just right click on this master.
Okay, the Windows 7.
Yes, Windows 7 VM is a master, and just right click on that and extract that file only, and all the rest of all files will comes to one folder.
Okay.
Yeah, there will be a one I think VDM or some other extension. We have to map it to this VMware. Let me show you. I think this is the profile has been completed. Yes, this a profile has been completed. We can see the results.
I'm not able to see the screen.
No, here I think we will.
So profile in the sense we just imported the data object, right?
No. If you see these results, you can get the what we will do in a profile.
Okay.
Yeah, if you take this, just I'm expanding this
Okay.
employee number. This is the object employee, EMP is the object. These are the attributes of the EMP. It comes to one by one.
Where I cannot able to see the location where you are showing. I don't know.
No.
Okay, now it got results.
Are you able to see my screen now?
I think it just got frozen. Freezed. Yeah, now I can see the table like column profiling and all.
Okay.
Columns.
Yeah, column profilings and attributes. Are you able to see now?
Yeah.
Okay. If you comes to this employee number attributes, employee number, all these values. Frequency is a one in the sense frequency in the sense repeatancy.
Okay.
Yeah. 7%. How the percentage will calculates? Because frequency number of records by frequency into 100.
Okay.
Let's do actually 14 records, 1 by 14 into 100.
Okay.
This is a 7%. Are you got this? Are you got this?
Yeah, I got you. And what is this value? Is this an index value or
Which one?
IDQ? The value beside the frequency.
These are the right values, patterns, and statistics and the data types. With this, we can we can get the things to simplify. We can define the data model. What are the data types are repeated? If comes to integer, is there any characters?
No.
No. String 4. But we can data types we can define as a string and all those things.
Okay. So it means that this details column will show the what are the different data types that are related to that.
Yeah, different what are the values and what are the patterns 9 4 in the sense 9 in the sense number, 4 length. This is a bracket is a length.
Okay.
Statistics, what is the average and max length, min length, some. I hope sometimes it will be helpful. Sometimes it may not. In this case, it is statistics. It is not helpful. Let me comes to ename.
A small question.
Yes, Gautam.
In the values tab, we had a separate column like values, right? Value.
Which one? Values.
Yeah, in values. How the values, the numbers are generated? I mean, the IDQ will generate, or that will come from the table itself, like index values.
Yeah, these are the all values comes from a table. Table values. These are the values from a table.
Okay.
Profiling in the sense we are discovering the data because we are understanding about the data. What are the values are repeated? What is the size of the length? What is the size of the character, words, and all those things.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, in the power center, once we loaded the data into target objects, then only we can verify the all the values.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if comes to IDQ, we can examine the data before to starting the load. Based on this, business peoples will define the business rules, metrics, and all those things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. These are all the values comes from a table, EMP table.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if you take a ename also unique because the frequency one in the sense there is a no repeatancy.
Okay.
Job comes to job, salesman, four repeatancy, clerk four repeatancy because that is the percentage is the calculates 4 by 14 into 100. How many values are repeated out of total number of records? Total number of values.
Okay.
Are you got this?
Yeah.
Okay. Clerk, manager, analyst.
So yeah.
If
So
any
profiling is nothing but just we understand the type of data that is coming into the
type
right?
type and values, what are the values are occurred, and everything we can get this. I will in the detail section I will come by one. Here there are four options: values, patterns, statistics, and data types.
Okay.
Okay. Employee number, name, attribute by attribute, job, MGR, manager. Actually, this is the null, one is the null, hire date,
Okay.
salesman, not salesman, salary. This is the frequency. Okay. Commission, department number, 30. 30th department are six times repeatancy, and 20th 5 times, 10, 30. Comes to values, what are the values are in a table that will be shown. Comes to pattern, employee number, 9 or 4 in the sense all the integer numbers, length is a 4, 14 numbers, 100% is the same. Ename, x5 in the sense that is a character, 5 length characters 8, 6 length characters are 3 records.
Okay.
Okay. X4 in the sense character length characters. X in the sense that is a character. Character means the var data type.
Okay.
Three records are out of 14. If comes to job, all are var seven length job.
Okay. It means that pattern gives us the length of the
Yes,
attribute.
length and
How many
type.
records are okay.
Yes, right. If you comes to manager, 9 records are 9 in the sense because integer and length is a 4. That is a 13 records are repeatance. Null is a 1 null.
Okay.
Hire date, completed date. This is the date type. Pattern is a date type.
Okay.
Salary in the sense, suppose 9 in the sense it is a number. 0.99 is the decimal values, and this is also frequency. There is a no size. Commission, null, and this is the decimal values, and 4 length is a 1, and there is a no length.
Okay.
Department number.
So
99 in
yeah,
the sense 2 character.
Yeah. So during this profiling and all, the analyst and the developer will be working along with the analyst, and they're going to create a mapping document like thing, right?
Yes, right. Along with we will work with along with the business analysts. Once we share this result with the analysts or a business persons, and they will define the business rules. These attributes should allow only this kind of values. All those things. They will define rules.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. If it comes to patterns, next is statistics. Statistics in the sense, it's what is the average, and actually on the primary key we no need to calculate this average standard. Some salary, this will helpful. Few of the attributes for statistics will helpful. The employee number, this is not at all helpful to us, but they are designed to every attribute. So employee name, what is the maximum length character is 6, minimum length is a 4. Employee number,
Okay.
top 5 in the sense, because on ascending order or descending order.
Okay. It means that all the aggregated columns that are applicable are very useful for these statistics.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Job, if you take the salary, that will be helpful to us. Average is a standard deviation, maximum length, sum is at 29,000. Top, these are the top 5 salaries, and bottom in the sense, these are the lower salaries. Commission. Okay. This is the statistics. And comes to data types, it will define integer 4, decimal 4, fixed length 4. All the 14 records will match it to all the data types.
Okay.
That's why it is representing that is a string 6, string length 6, 14 records.
Okay.
That is a defined string, and a job string 9, defined string 9, ngr, integer 4, decimal 4, fixed length 4, string 4. Because these are the all, it is a matching all four data types. That is it's showing all data types. We can define any of this.
Okay.
For this attribute.
Yeah, can you please repeat this one? I didn't get you.
No, for this we can define any data type, because with these values we can define either integer, decimal, fixed length string. If any data type, all the values will fit into these data types.
Okay.
All the 100% will fit into these data types. If you define an integer 4, all the 13 values will be fit into this, decimal fit into this, fixed length string 4, fixed length string in the sense char, string in the sense varchar, all will be fit into this. You can define with the existing values, you can define any data type.
Okay.
Have you understand?
Yeah.
If you take a e name, you have to define a string, and the size will be 6 is a minimum. You can define a more than 6, because the longest value is 6 characters.
Okay.
Yeah. Hire date, because it is a kind of suggestion. If you comes to data types, it is a suggestion which you can define any of this data type. You can define a string 19. This value fit in the string 19, right? Fixed length string 19.
Yeah.
And the salary decimal 6 comma 2, and the decimal value string 7. You can define any data type with the existing values will fit into this any data type. But we have to decide this is the salary, right? We have to decimal is the best data type.
Okay.
Commission, department number. These are the possible for analysis, data analysis.
Okay.
Okay.
So data type columns are generally used to avoid the truncation and all, right?
This right?
Yeah, that one.
Truncation in the sense, Gautam?
Yeah, I mean, it means that if we, for example, if the string is 2, right? The length
Yes.
of the string is,
Yes,
so
right.
if there is any data that is coming more than, if there is any data that is coming of length more than 2, it means that the rest of the string will be truncated. It means that the data will, for example,
Yes, right. Yes,
if,
right. Obviously, suppose if we define a string two, if we pass a three length character, the one character will be truncated.
yeah, okay,
Yeah, for
so
that,
that's why,
because it is a giving minimum length. We can define a more than that. That is no issue.
okay. Okay, so
It,
not to correctly define the length of the particular attributes, we're gonna do this analysis on by using this data type value.
yes, right.
Okay. So can we change it in the tool itself, or we need to go back to the database and then we need to configure again the table object and the alterations?
Yeah, we have to go back to database, and we have to change our data model.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it,
got it.
it is just give the information based on the complete data.
Okay,
Yeah, what are the possibilities and all those things.
okay,
Because this is the data type thing can help to design the data model.
okay,
Suppose what are the data type we have to take and what is the size we have to take. This is a help to design the data model.
okay.
Okay. Okay, this is a single object profiling, and this is the one way of creation of profiling. Comes to right click on folder, just new, comes to select appropriate object, appropriate option, and if you want, you can directly create a profile on an object. Suppose if you want to create a profile on this DEPT object, directly you can go to this, just create profile.
Okay.
Profile DEPT object, already object you have selected, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just I am unchecking that. Next, these all these options, column selections, what are the columns you want to data column, and all those things you can select it.
Okay.
Okay. Finish. Once it is done, a profile will be created.
Okay. So this enterprise profiling that you had said, it's a combination of joining
Yes, right.
columns like
Yes, right. That
so we're
and
gonna do it for multiple objects.
yes, right. Multiple objects join.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Once it is ready, just run a profile.
For running a profile, just right click on that object, right?
Yes, right. Just right click on this profile. Just run profile.
Okay.
Yes, this is done. Just go to select it. Just go to results.
Yeah. My small question is that for data profiling in the Power Center also we can view the data types and the data column lengths and all in the source analyzer itself, right? So what is the exact use here in
No,
IDQ?
no, no. In the power center, whatever you had defined, that will be import to source analyzer.
Okay.
No, no, it won't suggest what are the data types to choose and all those things, right? Whatever you had designed, that will be imported to power center.
Okay. Okay.
Before before to before to importing into all those things, we can't analyze this data and what are the data types will be in the file or object. We don't have we don't have chance to on Power Center, right?
Yeah, we cannot able to see the data, but here we can see the data.
Yeah, we can see the data, and also we can here itself we can do the all the what are the patterns, what are the statistics, what are the maximum values, and everything we have a chance to analyze the data, right? Before to loading.
Okay.
Even data types also, suppose if you comes to in the source analyzer, suppose if we define if we design a integer, that will be comes into source analyzer, but it won't give a suggestions. It is a giving a suggestions. You can choose it a string, char, decimal. You can define any of this data type.
Okay.
In the Power Center, it won't have a chance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. With the based on data, these are the out of four. Any of four is a you can define a data type for this attribute.
Okay. So we can choose the data types for a particular column, right?
Yes, right. Suppose if we define based on data, you can. It is a suggesting. You can define integer. You can define in decimal. Any data type, that data will be allowed to these data types.
Okay.
Dname. Only string 10 only will allows the data.
Okay.
Yeah. This length will give based on a maximum length of the uh, out of attribute. Suppose a dname, which is a maximum length of a dname, it will give a size. It should not less than this. If you define a string 8, which is having a 10 character length, that will be a trimmed. Yeah. Location string 8 is a must. String 8 in the sense varchar, and size would be minimum 8. You can define more than that, no issue.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the okay. Yeah, just I will show you another this one. What is a multiple profiling? Multiple profiling is a nothing, because suppose we are created a profile one by one, right?
Yeah.
In this multiple profile, we can create a profile at a time for multiple objects. Create a profile, the original data object location.
Okay. So it means that we can import multiple profiling on different type of sources, like right, one source is table and other source is a flat file. Like we can
Yes,
apply,
right.
or
Yeah. That will be independent profiles that we can. I will show you. Just I will show you from
Okay.
new profile, multiple profile. You can select it your wish, because one is a file, one is a database, one other one is a any kind of add.
Okay.
Just I am selecting this DEPT. Okay, all customers is a file, DEPT, EMP is a database. Okay, I'm creating a profile for all the objects. Okay, that will be independent profiles objects. First run profile, not next native. It is asking for you are creating this a multiple profile for multiple objects, right? It will asking for this a prefix or whatever thing.
Okay.
MP, just I'm prefixing MP underscore. Okay. Yeah, if you see this, earlier we prefixed this MP underscore, right? With that names all the independent profiles, not any dependency.
Okay.
Okay, MP all customers, MP DEPT, MP all are independent.
So, okay, what is that green symbol that it's showing? It's
This
a,
this one,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, that is just a profile icon. That's it. There won't be any nothing. That is a profile object icon.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just icon to identify this single object profile. Single object in
Okay.
the sense not enterprise. Enterprise will be different.
Okay.
Yeah, suppose just I'm doing on a profile on this all customer flat file. Just doing. These are all uh, our IDQ objects, same as a power center, same as a mapping and the transformations, source qualifier, target design, target definition, all are power center objects, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same as these are the profiles and scorecards, everything as a IDQ objects.
Okay. So how many objects are there in IDQ? Profiles, scorecards, and
Files, scorecards, workflows, everything is an object, right? It's
okay, okay,
every category is an object of this IDQ.
okay, okay,
Yeah. Same as Power Center, there won't be any difference.
okay, okay.
This profile will helps to understand the data and what are the strengths, what are the strengthening attributes, and what are the weakness of the data. And we can based on this profile only, business people will define the business rules. So these attributes should not allow this kind of values. These attributes should pass this kind of values. And based on this profile,
Okay.
they can define the rules.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, so I'll be downloading this to whatever the links that you shared, and then we'll be good to go from tomorrow, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, because the downloading is very slow today. I don't know why.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll get ready for tomorrow's session. All the downloads and all we can see it tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, Gautam.
Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna share this documents, right? Course content
Yeah,
and the other
yeah.
documents, right?
Can you give your email address?
Yeah. It's Gautam GOU.
Just a ping on this chat,
Okay.
and just I will copy it.
Okay. Okay. Sure. You got it, right?
Yeah. Just a minute. I will.
And you're gonna share the link for downloading the session video also, right?
Yeah, I will share that link.
Okay, okay.
Okay.